Hey guys, welcome to Buzztown Confess. Subscribe to our channel for digital marketing tutorial videos. Do not forget to visit our website www.btownconfess.com. And today I am going to discuss with you how to add Twitter tracking conversion tracking codes through Google Tag Manager. In my last session for the Twitter campaigns, I have taken you through where to find the Twitter pixel ID. Now in this session, how to use that pixel ID to implement conversion tracking, campaign conversion tracking with the help of Google Tag Manager. Now the plus point is if we are doing it through Google Tag Manager, we need not to any extra code on the website, which of course I continuously repeatedly saying this thing that once you are deprived of adding any extra code on your website, you get rid of this behavior, this practice, your website load time is very good. Now suppose you're running many campaigns simultaneously and you are adding each JavaScript for different campaigns, different platforms, your website would automatically become very heavy. Even the micro pages or the landing pages would become very heavy to load. So this problem can be solved and tag manager, and definitely for the same I'll take you through for the conversion tracking code implementation of Twitter through Google Tag Manager, right? So what you have to do is sign into your Google Tag Manager account, select that particular right, go on the new tag, add a new tag. So once you click on the new tag, all the saved containers would open with an option of custom HTML container. Fortunately, we have pre-saved container Twitter ads, right? So here I'm saying Twitter tag, right? Click on the tag configuration part to get all those auto saved or say pre-saved containers, and search for Twitter and Twitter universal website tag, right? So I'm just configuring for my Twitter analytics to be incorporated with website visitors. I want to see the Twitter analytics as well with respected to the website page views. That's why I'm just uploading it for page views. You can set up it for view content, any particular content which has been viewed by any visitor, add to cart, search. So you have all these custom events as well if you want to track through action taken through Twitter, right? And see, once you have selected that you want tag type of Twitter, so it's asking the Twitter pixel ID, which I have guided you in the last session. So I'll again just give you a brief that you need to go into the analytics of your Twitter account, click on more, right? And then it will come conversion tracking. Click on the conversion tracking, you land on the conversion page where you have already created the code, and then you can edit the code to check the pixel ID, right? In the tracking code, here is the 5 characters which is pixel ID of Twitter. Copy this 5 character and paste it in Google Tag Manager in the section where it is asked. And I want only for page view, and you can add any even the event parameters as well. Advanced settings if you go, so I'll choose for per page because I'm just going for the page views, right? And then triggering where I want this code to be triggered. So since I'm going only for the page view, so I need that all pages should be tracked with this code, and just save this in your Google Tag Manager. So once this is saved and submitted to be published, so you can check also whether this has been added or not, right? And I'm just naming for my reference. You can name it by any whatever you feel like and publish it. Once it's published, it means it is ready to be used and it is being used. Now since you can see this Twitter ad is now added into your website, Twitter tag added, right? Go on the workspace, just the dashboard for this property, and go in the preview mode. Why I'm going in the preview mode? Because I'll open that website in my adjacent to see to debug the website through the help of Google Tag Manager tool whether that code has been implemented successfully and is fired on that page or not, right? So once my tag manager reaches to the preview mode successfully, I'll go and open my website in next tab of adjacent to it, and check whether that code is fired or not, right? So now it is loading and I am here in the preview mode. It's taking some time due to network. Yeah, so I'm now in the preview mode. Now I'll open my website. Since it's already open, so I'll just refresh it and debug it just to check what are the codes are being fired, especially whether the Twitter code is fired or not on this page. So I can see on any page because I have selected that it should be triggered for all page, right? So it would be fired on my every page of website. But since I'm already on my home page, yeah, so I'm just debugging that home page itself and checking what all the tags are being fired through Google Tag Manager. So I've added couple of them in my earlier sessions, like analytics. I've added Google AdWords, I have added Google AdWords conversion linking, I've added Facebook pixel, I've added today I've added Twitter pixel, right? So those all conversion tracking has been added through Google Tag Manager only. And so once it is loaded, it is successfully debugged by Google Tag Manager tool. You can definitely find all those uh, tracking codes which are being fired on this page by Google Tag Manager. So it has been partially loaded, and this line is a divider, like it will show you the summary of Tag Manager for this page, which all codes are being fired on this page. Yeah, it's taking bit time due to the technical issues, I guess, or some. Yeah, so these all are the codes which have been fired through Google Tag Manager for this page: Universal, Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Pixel, Google Ad Tracking, Analytics Page View, and here is the Twitter tag which I have installed just now, and it's been successfully fired. You can click and check as well the Twitter Pixel ID, which that 5 character, and what is the event I want for the page view. So you can check that these are being added successfully on this website. So you can also try with you and let me know if you face any issue in implementation of adding the Twitter campaign tracking codes through Google Tag Manager. I'll definitely help you out, and I'll also welcome all your suggestions and feedback regarding this video. Thank you. Stay tuned with us. Bye.